Welcome to ZKTeco India official YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain how to connect the ZKTeco EM-Lock mini AC device and RS485 reader for the anti-passback purpose. So now I am going to explain how to do the connection part now. From the ZKTeco EM-Lock, negative should be connected to the 12 volt power supply negative and positive should be connected with the mini AC device NC. And from the mini AC device, COM should be connected with the 12 volt power supply positive. This is how we will connect the ZKTeco EM-Lock with the mini AC device. Now I am going to explain how to connect the RS485 reader with the mini AC device. From the RS485 reader, positive should be connected with the mini AC device RS485A and RS485 negative from the reader should be connected to the device RS485B. This reader requires 12 volt power supply. So for that I have given the external power supply 12 volt. So for that we should connect the from the reader positive should be connected with the positive and ground should be connected with the negative. This is how we will do the connection for the ZKTeco EM-Lock mini AC device with RS485 reader for the anti-passback. So now you can see here I am using the mini AC device for in purpose and RS485 reader for the out purpose. We have to do some changes in the settings now. You can see here. Go for main menu. Inside main menu, go for the access control. Here you should go for the anti-passback setup. You should select the anti-passback direction as a in or out anti-passback. And after doing these changes, go back. Go for main menu. Inside main menu, go for the COM option. Here you should go for serial COM. Select the serial port as master unit. So after doing this, now I am using the mini AC device for in purpose and RS485 reader for the out purpose. I already registered one user in the mini AC device. So I am verifying through in device now. Verification successful. EM-Lock opened. You can see after 5 seconds it will close. I set the time. So I am doing punch out through RS485 reader. Verification successful. Again EM-Lock opened. It will close after 5 seconds. If I am doing again punch out through RS485 reader means it will not take, it will say illegal access. You can check here illegal access. This is how we will connect the ZKTeco EM-Lock mini AC device with RS485 for the anti-passback purpose. Thank you.